Guys, there's the old Descati stove working a treat in the Swiss Army Volcano. I think I might mod this. A lot of people cut the top here and make that just so you can use that as a big long boiling pot, because this ain't really great. So I'll probably just turn this bottle into a cooking pot. The only downside to this stove is there's no lid. So the boil time takes a lot longer, but it's what it is. It's great to be out. It'll almost be brew time in a few minutes. But it's a treat that is, like whipping up the inside like a volcano. So that's why I call it a volcano stove.